What number of people does the Fit seat? The Fit has 5 seats and can easily suit 4 grown-ups. It comes standard with material upholstery, a calfskin wrap controlling haggle handle, and a split collapsing back seat. The front seats are agreeable and situate stature. Modifications and a tilt and adjustable guiding wheel make it simple to locate a decent driving position. Grown-ups have enough room in the back detachable seats to movement serenely. Fit-in car seats. You can introduce 2 auto situates in the back of a Fit, which accompanies a full arrangement of latch equipment on both detachable seats and a third tie stay for the center seat. There's sufficient room in the secondary lounge for you to cut in a back confronting kid situate without moving the front seats too far forward. B. Lower grapples are hard to reach and utilize, be that as it may, in the center seat's tie stay hinders the back view when it's being used. Fit interior quality. With premium materials and loads of delicate touch focuses, the Fit feels more upscale than its sticker cost proposes. For 2018, Honda added more protection to make a calmer ride. Fit cargo space. The Fit has an extensive 16.6 cubic foot freight hold. It comes standard with Honda's Magic Seat, a back seat that accomplishes something beyond overlap with a 60/40th split. With the front traveler situate likewise collapsed, you can pull additional long things, similar to a stepping stool. Keep the back seat set up. Crease the front seat level and lean back the back seat to make a nap time space. With bunches of legroom for tall load, the seat pads overlay up. You can likewise set out the whole second line to uncover 52.7 cubic feet of payload space, which is sufficient space for a bike. Fit infotainment, Bluetooth, and navigation. Each Fit accompanies Bluetooth, the USB port, and a multi-view rear-view camera. Climb to some other trim, and you pick up the capacity to interface your telephone to the Auto in an assortment of ways. With Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, you can utilize the Auto's 7-inch touchscreen to connect with huge numbers of your most loved cell phone applications. The framework is likewise perfect with Pandora and incorporates Honda Link, which lets you interface with a few vehicle frameworks from your cell phone. These highlights come standard in everything except the base trim. The X and XL trims likewise accompany a cunning vicinity key that consequently bolts the entryways when you leave the vehicle.